नमस्कार। लॉकडाउन के इस दौर में सब कुछ वर्चुअल हो रहा है और ऐसे में हमने शुरू की कथा महफिल, यानी ऑडियो कहानियों की एक महफिल। कथा महफिल को 2 महीने पूरे होने जा रहे हैं और इस दौरान हमें मिला है आप लोगों का ढेर सारा प्यार। इसीलिए तो हम ढेर सारी कहानियां आप तक पहुंचा पाए हैं। कुछ तो खास है इस कथा महफिल में, तभी तो इसने भीड़ में भी अपनी एक अलग पहचान बना ली है। कुछ तो खास है जो भारत ही नहीं, भारत के बाहर भी सुना जा रहा है। कुछ तो खास है जो इसे हर उम्र के लोग पसंद कर रहे हैं।
Hello everyone, my name is Advait and I am going to tell you why Katha Mehfil is a unique platform and why it is special to me. So first of all, the stories get posted every morning, so you can listen to them anytime you want. There are new stories every morning, so you can listen to them anytime you want. Second of all, there are very good stories, very good stories. Then there are many interactive sessions held. I think every Friday we do a session which is on Zoom, a video session on storytelling.
Namaskar. First of all, thank you to Vaishali for starting this very nice initiative of Katha Mehfil. My son loves stories. Now we have run out of everything that was available at home. Because of the lockdown, we can't even go to the libraries and issue new books. We can now listen to stories at home. Our day starts with the Katha Mehfil story. It is also a good idea to include stories in Marathi, Hindi, and English. So, irrespective of which languages kids are learning in school, they also get to listen to the other languages and understand the stories in them. So, thank you, Katha Mehfil team, for bringing this enriching and very nice experience to us as the whole family. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dia and today I want to share my experience with Katha Mehfil. I love the stories they tell and they narrate it so wonderfully that I feel so happy when it starts. I I don't know that much Marathi, so thank you for sending English translation along with it, and I can learn a little bit of Marathi too. I write some of the stories they tell, and I really enjoy their tasks they give. And also thank you for telling different types of stories like of history, mythology, different cuisines, different people from different regions, etc. Thank you, Katha Mehfil. Bye.
Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi, and since last couple of months it has become a ritual to listen to Katha Mahfil stories, and in fact along with the kids I also look forward to listen to the stories, and I must admit that the timing couldn't have been more perfect than this. We all are housebound and kids don't have much to do, and it's a lovely time to listen to stories actually. And when I used to go on net and try to find some stories for my daughter, there was either the content will be not age appropriate or the literature won't be up to the mark. So first I had to read it personally and then filter it, and but now thanks to the Katha Mehfil team, Katha Mehfil, they have done a wonderful job here, and now we have the team, be it Vaishali or Deepa or Namita ji or Piyush, everyone is narrating such amazing and nice stories, and it's so, it's like, bittersweet fun stories from all over the world, be it a Polish legend or some Parsi background story or the history or the fun in jungle. The variety is endless and kids thoroughly enjoy it, and there's not even a single moment of boredom in them. The tailor-made stories are narrated in such amazing voice module with so much of voice modulation. It takes the listener to some other world with them, to the world of their stories, and that's what I like about them. And I think I would like to congratulate the team of Katha Mehfil, who is doing such wonderful job, and keep doing the good work. And we are with you. Thank you.
Right now, every morning, they are posting stories by each one of us. Like, they have asked us for stories by us, written by us, or narrated by us, anything. And they are posting stories every morning by us and by them. So, it also doubles up as a platform for us to showcase our stories. How cool is that?
कुछ तो खास ज़रूर है, and the खास is you, our audience, because it's you who has made Katha Mehfil such a grand success. In the 2 months that we've been with you, we've brought to you the regular stories, and apart from that, stories from Indian history, Indian mythology, and stories of food, which is the most favorite for all of you. In the next coming months, we're introducing Greek mythology and the most awaited stories for you adults as well. For those who are not still a member, what are you waiting for? Join Katha Mehfil and enjoy stories which are from the heart. Because like we said, Katha Mehfil, kuch to khas hai.